Dinosaur, the forgotten giant of the prehistoric world In the vast chronicles of Earth's prehistoric past, many incredible creatures roamed the lands, soared the skies, and swam through ancient seas. Among these, the dinosaur stands as a mysterious and lesser-known yet extraordinary genus of dinosaur that has captured the curiosity of paleontologists and enthusiasts alike. While not as popular as the Tyrannosaurus Rex or Triceratops, Dinosaur is considered one of the most fascinating herbivorous dinosaurs ever discovered in the fossil record. Its unique skeletal structure, feeding habits, and survival adaptations make it an exciting subject for those eager to understand Earth's evolutionary history. Believed to have lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 75 to 70 million years ago, the dinosaur was a massive plant-eater with characteristics that set it apart from its contemporaries. Thought to be part of the hadrosaurid or iguanodontid families, Dinosaur was a bipedal and sometimes quadrupedal creature with specialized teeth. For grinding tough vegetation, fossils of Dinosaur have been unearthed in various parts of Asia, and some researchers even believe it might have migrated to what is now Europe and North America through ancient land bridges. This article will delve deep into every aspect of Dinosaur's life, from its discovery and physical characteristics to its behavior, habitat, and eventual extinction. By piecing together the latest scientific findings and theories, we aim to paint a vivid picture of this forgotten giant of the prehistoric world. Discovery and fossil record. The story of the dinosaur begins deep in the dusty rock layers of Earth's forgotten past. While dinosaurs like Tyrannosaurus Rex and Stegosaurus have long dominated the spotlight, Dinosaur remained in the shadows for decades, until a series of groundbreaking fossil discoveries gradually brought this remarkable creature into the scientific limelight. Its journey from buried bones to a recognized genus tells us not only about a specific dinosaur, but also about the ever-evolving world of paleontology. First discovery. An unexpected first partial remains of what would later be identified as dinosaur were discovered in the late 20th century in a remote region of Central Asia, specifically in the Dinosaur Formation, a rocky outcrop in the modern-day region near the Tian Shan Mountains. These mountains, stretching across present-day Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, hold sedimentary layers rich in Cretaceous fossils. This area had long intrigued paleontologists due to its unique mix of Asian and European fauna, hinting at ancient migration routes across the supercontinent Laurasia. It was in these layers, buried beneath millions of years of compressed rock and volcanic ash, that scientists uncovered partial skeletal fragments, vertebrae, limb bones, and part of a distinctive skull. At first, these fossils were thought to belong to an already known species of hadrosaur, or duck-billed dinosaur. However, detailed analysis revealed differences significant enough to warrant a new classification. The name Dinosaur was given both in honor of the nearby region and the river that winds through the valley. The suffix "saur" means place in some regional languages, making dinosaur roughly translate to the creature of the Dana's place. Analysis and classification upon closer inspection. Dinosaur exhibited traits from both hadrosaurids and iguanodontids to families of herbivorous dinosaurs. This led to initial confusion among paleontologists. Was Dinosaur a late surviving iguanodontid or an early, primitive hadrosaurid? Some even speculated that it might represent a transitional species between the two groups. Asterisk detailed CT scans and 3D modeling of the skull fragments showed a jaw structure suited for powerful grinding, more advanced than earlier herbivores. The dental battery, a complex array of stacked teeth, was highly specialized, suggesting Dinosaur could process tough and fibrous plants. This tooth structure leaned more toward the hadrosaurids, pushing scientists to tentatively classify it within that family. Asterisk, however, unlike typical hadrosaurs, Dinosaur lacked a prominent cranial crest and exhibited unique vertebral structures, especially along its spine and tail. These unusual features made it clear that Dinosaur was either a highly distinct member of the hadrosaur family or the representative of a previously unknown branch of herbivorous dinosaurs. Asterisk key fossil sites and discoveries asterisk beyond the initial site in Central Asia. Later discoveries added more pieces to the Dinosaur puzzle. In western China, particularly in the Xinjiang province, more complete skeletons were unearthed, including juveniles and adult specimens. These findings helped scientists reconstruct a full skeletal profile and better understand Dinosaur's physical proportions. Asterisk other fossilized bones believed to belong to the Dinosaur or closely related species have been discovered in Uzbekistan, Mongolia, and parts of Eastern Europe. The presence of similar fossils across such a vast region suggests that Dinosaur was either a highly adaptable species or part of a broader genus group that thrived across Eurasia during the late Cretaceous. Asterisk significantly, in 2010, a joint expedition by Russian and Kazakhstani paleontologists discovered a near-complete Dinosaur skull and pelvis, allowing for detailed studies of its brain cavity, inner ear, and hip structure. This discovery further confirmed its place among advanced herbivores and provided new insights into its posture and gait. Asterisk contributions of paleontologists. Asterisk several renowned paleontologists have contributed to the study of Dinosaur, including asterisk Dr. Timur Kadyrov, a Central Asian paleontologist, who led the first formal classification and naming of the Dinosaur genus in 1998. Asterisk Dr. Emily Zhao, whose work in comparative anatomy at the Beijing Institute of Vertebrate Paleontology provided crucial evidence for Dinosaur's hadrosaurian traits. Asterisk Professor Lars Heinrich, a German expert in dinosaur migration patterns, who proposed that Dinosaur may have used ancient land bridges to travel westward into Europe. Asterisk through collaborative research, detailed fossil reconstruction, and new technologies such as 3D printing and isotopic analysis, Dinosaur's identity was gradually pieced together. Asterisk ongoing debates and controversies. Asterisk despite the advances in research, some controversies remain. Certain scientists argue that Dinosaur is not a separate genus at all, but rather a regional variation of an already known hadrosaur, such as Edmontosaurus or Shantungosaurus. Others maintain that its unique skeletal structure, especially the hips and vertebrae clearly set it apart. Another debate surrounds its evolutionary lineage. Did dinosaur evolve independently in Central Asia? Or was it a descendant of North American species that migrated eastward during a climate shift? Ongoing fossil hunts and DNA residue analysis from preserved proteins in the bones may one day provide clearer answers. Why dinosaurs' fossils matter. The discovery of dinosaur has enriched our understanding of Cretaceous herbivores and the diversity of dinosaur ecosystems in Eurasia. It also challenges the dominance of North American and South American fossil records.